Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to copy a post link on Facebook. While reposting and sharing on Facebook is really easy, you might want to copy and paste the post somewhere other than Facebook. This video will teach us how to copy Facebook post on Android. First, open the Facebook app on your Android. If the post doesn't appear on your news feed, tap the search icon to search for the user who posted what you want to copy. If the text is hidden behind See More, tap it to make it all appear. Then, copy the text. Tap and hold your finger on the caption and it will temporarily highlight and notify you that the caption has been copied. If you don't see that, you can tap and hold the text to highlight it, then tap copy in the menu that pops up. Now, download the images. If there are images in the post that you want to include your pasted text, tap them to open them in a new window. Tap and hold the images again until a menu pops up, then select Save Photo or Save to Phone. This way, you can have the text copied and the image on your phone at the same time. Skip this step if you rather copy the image instead of saving it to your phone. Keep in mind that copying the images may not be available on your device. Now, navigate to where you want to paste the copied text. If you want to paste the copied text on Facebook, find the comment or status area where you want to paste it. If you're pasting to a different app, open it now. Tap and hold the text field. Doing so will bring up another pop-up menu. Tap Paste. You should see the copied text appear in the text field. Then, insert the image. There are lots of ways to add an image to whatever you're using, like WhatsApp, X, Twitter, and Messenger. If you didn't save the image, go back to the post on Facebook after you've pasted the text and tap each image to save it. Then, return to the other app and paste the image. You can also avoid copying and pasting everything by taking a screenshot of the post. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.